Mine looks so old on the inside. With all these ugly yellow and red cables. You just don't have the yellow and red cables.
Yeah, I had it on my old power supply. I think you have it in like your closet. Now it's time to get to the snipping and clipping and ripping.
Yours is almost done. All you guys the motherboard. Just make sure you know how to put it back together.
I'm going to. I'm going to know.
It's gonna be a long day.
Yeah, there's one more screw somewhere. Now all of a sudden this case is light.
Time to transfer.
So now, where's that hard drive? Gotta put the hard drive in. Dude, you can take it off. It's just too ridiculously. Yeah, it's like I don't know what holds it in there like that tight. Make sure you look at the
Progress. Oh, it's getting there. Very slowly.
I feel like we already spent like hours already.
And we still got a whole nother computer to do.
Alright, let me do this one.
Transfer is almost completed.
Get out of here. This is how you do it.
You gotta take off this whole front thing. Unless you gotta take off the top first.
Here. This is how you do it.
Because the top might. Ooh. No, you don't rip that boy off, bro.
Bruh.
Ugh. This boy looked like a microwave, bro. What the heck? That's intense.
Show the other side.
My battery's almost dead.
Dude, I think if something was made in America, like a computer part, I'd be scared to put it in my computer because it'll be made by lazy people.
You plug this in.
Yeah, that's... And then there should be another one.
USB. What is this USB?
That's probably for the front of the case.
Why does this have a big buff thing?
I have no idea.
It's that one thing, bro. And
Oh my goodness, this is so difficult.
it's impossible.
Dude, it's like no matter where you turn it, it still ends up facing down.
So I'm telling you.
Alright, hang on. Dude, it's like a mirror, bro. How?
No, because they're just like that other one, I think. Dude, I'm literally confused.
I'm just like confused about this.
My nose. Like, it's literally impossible, bro. Like, I'm so confused.
I don't think it matters. To be honest.
Oh. I think.
I'm sorry. I just had to let it out.
Oh my gosh. Good.
Okay, I'm good. It's just that face that you're making. The face of being disappointed.
You sure this ain't gonna explode my computer if I plug this into it?
No. It just won't turn on. You'll just hear it go like.
Oh my gosh, I don't even think your thing plugs into mine, bro. I don't think this
You just gotta force it, bro.
breaks on.
Dude, it's a computer.
I have too much power!
It's a computer, bro. You gotta force it.
It's time to test and see if it explodes or not.
Did it turn on? No.
Hey, everything's working.
It's pink. It's pink. It's pink.
Hey, okay, how far are you on yours, bro?
Zip tying. Zip tie.
Plug everything up to the motherboard yet?
Yes.
Okay. Yours looks a lot more professional.
Yeah, cause you.
It looks like stealth mode in yours, bro. Like mine looks like it's like just.
Rainbows.
Yeah, I got a lot.
Rainbows.
Got a lot of ugly cables in mine. Yours is all freaking ninja cables. Mine are all like ugly, but it's okay. I shall upgrade soon. I need to upgrade this freaking power supply. I think that's what it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
All these cables coming from?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay, now we just gotta wait for Jimbo Slice to be done. Hurry up, Jimbo Slice.
Oh, I'm done.
You trying to plug it up?
Yeah.
Cause it's your turn. It's your turn. It's time to win this greatness. Oh, the caps, the lens was on.
No less.
Oh, is the switch on? Nope. Switch, dude, switch on the back. Fool.
Oh.
Oh, you didn't plug in something. Like you don't have as many cables plugged into your motherboard as I do.
That's because of that power supply. No!
That's the sound of defeat. You gonna let this computer defeat you, Jimmy?
Bro, I don't know why it's not turning on.
Now if this don't work, I have no idea what's happening with all that. If this power's on, I'm a freaking genius, bro. My fingers are too big. Boy, you best get in that hole. Right
Don't
now.
force it.
No, I was struggling with the... Hey, man, weren't you just telling me to force stuff into the computers?
No.
Yes.
No.
You said it's a computer, you gotta...
You just gotta force it, bro. I'm a tripod.
I'm the tripod. Okay, well. If I... You wanna push the power one? Go ahead. Dang it. Attempt 2 failed. Attempt numeral trace. Oh.
It was because I plugged in something wrong.
Boy, I'm happy for you. How are you not hyped, boy?
It was because I had this thing over here plugged in, right here.
What was it?
I don't know. It was a system fan, so I had that plugged in. So I unplugged it, and now it works.
Hey, that's raw. All you need is like some hardcore LED fans or something. Actually, it's like stealth mode right now, so your computer's like the ninja. How do you feel, bro? Do you feel the source of accomplishment today?
Because I was like, something has to be wrong. Like, everything's in there perfectly.
I mean, it wasn't perfect because it wasn't turning on.
It was in there perfect. It was in the perfecto.
Well, it was a very long, tedious day. Adios, amigos! Bye!
Ocean, 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 ocean.